What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on MULN Stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And today's video will be for 100% dedicated to its recent movement and I have to say that you can see quite positive movement to the upside for about 20.65%. But in general, I have to say that nothing has changed to Mullen, and I will show you my thoughts and my due diligence in regards to this asset. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you think my videos are valuable for you. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right before they broke the previous swing low, and I have to say that this quite harsh decrease in its price set up a new all-time low for this company. If you zoom out to a weekly time frame, you can see that this asset is in consistent downtrend, and this year alone this asset lost more than 99% of its value. From its previous swing high to the current range, it lost more than 99% of its value, and it is a mind-boggling number. So I've told to my viewers multiple times, and I've made a lot of videos on Mullen, more than 100 videos that are dedicated to this problem. I've told to the potential investors that you shouldn't enter any long position with this asset because it is a scammy project, and the only purpose of this company and of the C-levels executives are to dilute the existing shareholders and to grab their money. Let me show you the reason why this asset, let's switch to hourly time frame, why this asset has a decent movement to the upside for about 20%. The news is following. We know that just yesterday it was a meeting for Mullen shareholders where they voted for or against third reverse stock split for this year. And it didn't happen. And I have to say that I was quite surprised because of this. But in general, I have to say that Mullen C-levels executives switched, basically postponed the decision-making date to December 18, and it will be potentially, it might be another voting, or they will do some weird things. But before we dive deep into this, let me show you first of all this article that was published just 5 hours ago by Post Hoc Ergo. And this article is made because a lot of people, a lot of Mullen investors think that it might break the $1 threshold organically. And I have to say that there is a lot of shillers, of this stock on YouTube right now, and the main one becomes business debt. And I have to admit that all of them, basically all of them, are becoming more cautious in their forecasts, and we know that the main shiller, Cal from Financial Journey, received a cease and desist letter from Mullen Automotive, and right after that he deleted all of the video from his channel that were dedicated to Mullen Automotive. And let me show you this. So there are 4 conditions that must format in order for a company or its affiliates to reduce liability when repurchasing shares of the company's stock. First, the issuer or affiliate must purchase all shares from a single broker or deal during a single day. Second, there are certain requirements for the timing of the purchase. An issuer with an average daily trading volume that is less than $1 million per day, or that has a public float value below $150 million, cannot trade within the last 30 minutes of trading. Companies with a higher average trading volume or public float value can trade until the last 10 minutes. Third, the issuer must repurchase at a price that does not exceed the highest independent bid or the last transaction price quoted. Finally, the issuer cannot purchase over 25% of the average daily volume. And this is the crucial point, and because of this statement, Post Hoc Ergo made just a simple calculations, and he found out that if it happens, the total value of this buyback should not exceed $6 million. And guys, This is the crucial point. Does anybody really think that $6 million worth of repurchases will send the market cap from today's $58 million to $413 million? And $413 million is the threshold in the current conditions when the share price should exceed the $1 mark. Definitely it will not happen. On top of that, let me show you another his theory about the potential actions that might take place this Monday. And it is his pure speculation, but I think it makes a lot of sense right now. So let's just say that Okitas and Azusa still have warrants that they want to exercise. They have been monitoring social media and saw all the posts about share price soaring above $1 on a no vote, so decided to see if it would pop on and no. So they voted no in their 76 million shares on the reverse proposal, but yes on the adjournment. They're exercising their warrants today, said that it only bought them a penny or two instead of 5 or 10 or 80 cents, and had the share price really run. On Monday, they vote their 76 million shares yes, and the reverse stock split passes. And I have to say that it is a very possible outcome, because we know that there is a lot of unexercised warrants that are held by Okitas and Azusa. And this means the most probable outcome for the price is to go lower. On top of that, let me show you this statement that was made by Pop Planet 8149 just yesterday, and it says, if I'm not mistaken, this delivery before the end of the year will give David Michery yet another worthless milestone for more free shares of the company. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but I remember seeing it in a filing over the summer. The fact that neither party revealed the financial details of the purchase tells me that Mullen either sold them at cost or even a loss just so David Michery could get his milestone. Scammers gonna scam. And I completely agree with this statement, because from the fundamental standpoint, this delivery of 3 ready-to-go trucks doesn't mean anything for the company, but it means a lot for David Michery. And let me remind you that his own remuneration for the last 3 years is more than $155.5 million. And this statement I showed you recently, and it was made by Smithy Accountant, and she made a very good due diligence on this remuneration. That is why I still stand on my position that Mullen Automotive doesn't worth your attention. And if you still hold the position on Mullen, and if you rely on this company by any means, you just have to think twice, and you have to preserve your mental health, because from the fundamental standpoint, this company doesn't worth a penny. And that is why I still stand on my position that this asset will break its all-time low at 11 cents price point, and most likely it will be delisted from the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, despite any efforts that they might have. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.